Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and confirming you're signed into the correct Google account. This is crucial because location history is account-specific. Once done, make sure location services are on for your device and that Google Maps can run in the background so recent points appear. If you're on desktop, use the same account at Maps. Google.com, on mobile use the app. These first steps link the app to stored data, so you can access history rather than trying random settings later. Next, go to your profile menu and choose your timeline. This pulls the saved location points and organizes them by day. Once you open a day, use the calendar icon to jump to a specific date or select a range if you need multiple days. This filters the map view so you're not overwhelmed. Make sure to toggle map layers and timeline detail to show routes versus place labels. These settings change what's visible and help you verify individual trips or stops precisely. To finish, export or verify your data. Open timeline settings and download a copy via Google Takeout if you need an archive. Once exported or reviewed, you can edit individual places or remove incorrect visits directly in timeline to correct the record. If things don't appear, make sure the account is correct, device time and time zone are accurate, and GPS is enabled. These commonly break history logging. If that fails, toggle location history, off then back on, and wait a few hours for new entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.